A Midland, South Carolina fourth grader is going viral after her mother posted a video of her dancing and doing flips with a prosthetic leg. Take a look at this. Jemiah Robinson was born with one leg shorter than the other, a condition known as left leg femoral deficiency. She's worn a prosthetic leg since she was 5, and after watching her sister on a community dance team, Jemiah told her mother she wanted to do it too. She's been a member of the team for 2 years now. And in Oregon, police responding to a burglary in progress call ended up catching a Roomba. It all started when a woman called 911 and reported that a stranger was in her bathroom. Deputies soon surrounded the house, but after hearing nothing from the suspect inside, they finally went in. The deputy who wrote the report said they found the Roomba and a very well vacuumed floor. And move over. These are dozens of cows running loose on a road in Miami Lakes, Florida, Friday. The town said the cows got loose from their pasture when their gate was left open. They ran the streets for about 15 minutes and then the owner was able to get them back. By the time police arrived, the cows were already home.
Okay, I have a few theories about this. Okay, it was left open. Okay, sure. I think the cows were actually on protest because, you know, they have the whole eat more chicken thing for Chick-fil-A. So I think they were either going to Chick-fil-A or they were going to like Burger King or Wendy's to stand outside and like eat more chicken. Those are my theories.
Okay, those are really good. I was kind of waiting to see what you're going to say to it.
I mean, I want to dive in deeper into this. Why were they?
Do some research?
Yeah, I'm going to.
They look so happy. That's what I got to say.
They did. They're like, I'm free.
Wild animals just enjoying the streets, the city life.
City life.
Who knew cows liked city life?